Hello, welcome back to GT Races. Now I'm going to go into my town and get a package from Squadrasportiva. I can never say that name. And hopefully that will be my strut bar for the Alfa. I should have had it at the same time as the wishbones because I ordered at the same time, but they forgot to send it to me. But I sent them an email and they said, "Oh no, our fault. Now we send you the strut bar." So hopefully it comes now. Look now. Oh, shiny cars, shiny cars. Let's go and get it. I am back home now. I got the package. But I'm a little bit worried now. Does this look like a strut bar? Seriously. It's a very small package. Like 35 centimeters times 15. I I I don't know if that is my strut bar. Maybe Squadrasportiva have sent me another couple of upper wishbones. If they have, I will be sad. Very sad. Let's go in and open it up and see what it is. In the living room now, let's open this up. And this, as I said earlier, should be a strut bar for my Alfa GT. I don't know. Maybe some sort of a IKEA or Lego strut bar. I have never seen a strut bar. I thought that strut bars are meaning to have a very rigid structure, you know, to hold the top of the suspensions together when you go in corners, so it doesn't, so the car doesn't twist. I thought that was the idea, but this is. If they have sent me the wrong product again, I will be sad. As I said earlier. When I ordered, they sent me my wishbones, which I'm very happy for, and they were very good quality. Yes, but I should have gotten the strut bar too. And then I sent an email to them and said that, please send me the strut bar. And they said, oh, you made a mistake, we should have sent it. I have another pair of wishbones. I don't believe this. Okay, so now I'm sitting here with a pair of completely new upper wishbones for Alfa Romeo 147, 156 and GT. And I have no use for this, because this will not break on the car again in the nearest 10 years. Yeah. So, this was a very short video. I don't even know if I will post this shit, because now I'm angry and I have to send an email again and send me the fucking strut bar, and then I have to send this back and do the work for that, and okay, this was all for today. Maybe this will not be posted, but if I post it, have a good day. And sometimes things go very bad, like now, and I really wanted to do the strut bar video, but I have other videos I can do. Bye. Just had a small email conversation with Squadrasportiva, and they say that yes, they made a mistake again. They misunderstood my first email where I very specific said that I got two wishbone. I didn't got the strut bar. Please send me the strut bar. It's very specific, but they misunderstood that, and now they say that they will send me the strut bar again for the second attempt, and I will return the wishbone they sent me by DHL, what do you call it, resending document. So I just print it and glue it on and just skip it. Yeah. So maybe this will be a good ending to this small escapade. Yeah, but now it's good night. No, it's not good night. Have a good day, and soon I have the strut bar, but not before the Eastern. So I wanted to do the video in the Eastern, but I'll probably have it next week, and then we do the video. Goodbye, and have a good day. Bye.